obviously in Great Wolf Lodge. And we have picked out our things. And this is Violet Wolf before. And then here's after.
Big and strong or soft and squishy?
Soft and squishy.
Oh, right.
Kind of.
Yeah, is that
No, not like that.
Step on the pedal. Alright, good job. And then you want to pick out a heart? It's optional.
Hard to put on the foot.
Okay, close your eyes. Make a wish. And then when you have your wish, give it a big old kiss. Alright. Pick out a heart. Close your eyes. Make a wish. And when you're done making that wish, give it a big old kiss.
So is there any secrets about taking care of?
You just gotta give them all your love. All your love.
I love this one.
Because now you're responsible for them. Gotta take good care of them.
Excuse me, Addie.
Yeah?
What are you doing right now?
I am giving my little animal a little hair brush because her hair is very, very naughty. So,
Well, tell us a little bit about your animal.
her name is Violet. She's very shy. And as you can see, she has brown hair and she's very pretty. And her date of birth was March 19th, 2024. Her favorite color is obviously magenta, and it's not obviously. Her favorite color is magenta, and yeah. So, that's really it.
So you're still giving her a nice little brushing. How is her hair today?
Really dry. She might have to put some coconut oil that I have in her hair on her ends because her ends are very dry. But nothing other than that really. Her hair is very nice. It's not that tangly anymore. I can run my fingers through it. So, I just found it there. Yeah.
This is the first video I think I've seen you wear glasses.
Yes, I had to get glasses because I could not see. So I had to get glasses, guys. So if you guys were kind of curious about me wearing glasses, now you guys know why, because I could not see the board in my classroom. So yeah.